So the very first way I will suggest you that to go to Trailhead Quests. In that you can go into this link. So here you will find like this. So as this is July month, so there are three quests going on every month. So the very first quest is like uh, every badge you earn in Trailhead will give a entry to your uh, entry into this quest. So if you're lucky, it will be like a lucky draw, so that if in that lucky draw, if your name comes or if your profile comes, so you'll be a winner of this $100 USD gift card. So with this we can buy any merchandise from the Trailhead store. So this can be used in that way. Next comes the Road to Ranger quest, in which you have to unlock a ranger rank in the month of July. So then you will be eligible for getting a certification voucher. Here you can see 1 of 25. So what this specifies is there will be 25 vouchers being giving away. So if you're lucky, you may be one of those 25 people. So if your name comes in those 25, you will be eligible for getting a Salesforce certification voucher. And the next thing, which is completing a super badge in the month of July. So in this July month, if you complete any of the super badges, then you will be getting an entry into this quest. So that and the trail mixes which you need to be completing is developer and Einstein Analytics supersets. From these supersets, you can complete any of the super badges, so that you will get a automatic entry into this July month's quest. Level up challenge. This level up challenge is given by Salesforce Trailhead. So in this is like we'll have three supersets like admin superset, app builder superset, and developer superset. So you can so now you can sign up here with your details, personal details, and here you need to select Salesforce credential or superset you are pursuing. From the above superset, which one of the following superset you are pursuing, you should provide here, either administrator or PD1 or platform app builder. So they also ask if you are holding a active Salesforce credential. If yes, you are. It is mostly possible that you will not be getting a certification voucher. So in this way, but after signing up, it will almost take around 30 to 45 days for your submission. So that after you complete the superset, it will take around 30 days for your voucher to come. And the next way is through community groups, Trailblazer community groups. So you can go into this first link, and I have my Trailblazer community group account. So I'll log into my account. So here you can find a meeting near you. Means you can give your current city. I live in Vizag, so I'll click Vishakhapatnam. So I'll find meetings near me. Like we are having Trailer DX 20 global gathering event. So we can go into this and we can RSVP here. So in this event, if they conduct any contest like any quizzes or something, so if they offer any certification vouchers as a gift for those quiz winners, you will be able to get a certification voucher through the community. And next one we come to the fourth is through Journey to Salesforce. So you can click on this link. So you need to first register for this journey to Salesforce, and you will be given with 4 trail mixes, and you need to complete them, and you'll also get individual swags for each trail mix you complete, and you will also be getting a certification voucher after you complete all the 4 trail mixes. And here also the voucher will be coming to you and will be taking a time of around 30 to 45 days. So you need to be very patient about the voucher for getting that.